What's going on, guys? How you guys doing? It's Skootski. So, this is my grandpa's 2003 Toyota Tacoma pre-runner, not four-wheel drive. Maybe one day, we'll see how far this series goes, but I'm going to be working on this along. So, I already did an introduction to this truck and what's going on. So, the one problem I did have that I'm going to be talking about today about this truck was that I was having a evap problem with it where sorry if you hear cows, they're mooing back there, but I was having an evap problem with this truck. I ended up putting a new gas cap on there, and that was not the issue. I ended up with a P014. I'm not 100% sure. Actually, one second. I had a P0422 code, which is usually it's going to be your gas cap, but I have already replaced that. So I did do a smoke test on this truck, and it still was coming out from here. So doing a little bit of research, there's actually a breather valve that's right up here that actually has holes for to suck in fresh air, and that is controlled inside my gas tank and a device called a rollover valve. I've already ordered one, and it's going to be here, I think, by like Tuesday of next week. So, but to get to that, I have to pull this bed off completely, and I'm going to be making a video about that, about the whole process and everything, and taking it off, which is going to be sweet because I've never actually taken a bed off of any of my vehicles. So it'll be a first for me. So that is the small update that I am doing with this truck. I need to get the tags for this thing, so it is legal. I'm rolling on one of those driving permit tags that the DMV does give you. I just didn't fill out the date, but I'm trying to fix it as fast as I can. The tags are paid and everything, so that is the only issue that I have with this truck at the moment. Other than that, it's great. The one thing, actually, is fuel mileage, which I'm pretty sure every Tacoma driver talks about. I don't know about you guys, but I'm getting around 16.5 miles to the gallon. And I don't know, that doesn't seem very good, but as far as what I'm seeing online is you're getting anywhere between 16 to 22 miles to the gallon. I'm assuming freeway. I do a lot of freeway drives, so that's where the majority. I could only get like maybe 250 to 270 miles to a tank, which doesn't seem like a whole lot to me. But like I said, I drive like close to 80 miles a day. So that's it for the truck and what I'm going to be doing to that. So stay tuned. I did order a lot of parts for this truck already, which I will be doing myself. I'll also be doing the water pump and the timing belt and all that stuff associated with that, and just lots of odds and end parts. Like, I know I'm going to be doing the window tint myself. I haven't ordered that yet, but I am. And then like these right here, I'm going to replace these. These are pretty dingy, but yeah, so far this truck has been amazing to me. Starts every morning. I do have a rough start in the morning. I changed my fuel filter to see if that was the problem, but it's still starting pretty rough. So if you guys have anything like to maybe I can look at to, like, it'll take a few. Sometimes it's just weird. It'll just start like right away, and then sometimes it will just take a few cranks before it'll even start. So just let me know down in the comments what you think that might be, as I am struggling here with that one. So I appreciate it, guys. This is going to be a little short video, just as an update, so I can get the ball rolling with all this, because once this part comes in, I'm going to start on it and jump on it right away, because like I said, I want to get that fixed. California does not mess around with that. So this is just pretty close to like where I live. We just drove out here for a video. My wife thought it was beautiful. I thought it was beautiful. So it's a good spot to to do this video. So I might do a little bit more out here, but I won't be fixing anything out here. So if you guys like this, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe down at the bottom. I appreciate it. Thank you so much. So like if you have any suggestions on like how I should fix this thing, please let me know. If you had an issue with this before, with the small evap leak, let me know. Because that, I mean, even if I did the small, I'm just guessing at this point. They did say like I can pinch the there's a valve up there up on top, but I didn't want to, like, not a valve but a hose, just to get the leak to stop. But I don't know if I want to do that. Might as well just do all that. So let me know if you've ever done it. All right, guys, thank you so much. I appreciate it. See you on the next one. Bye.